Hello everyone. Welcome to a new Python lesson. Today, we'll learn how to connect to an SQLite database using Python in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, we import the SQLite library. This library is built into Python, so you don't need to install it. Next, we create a connection to the database file using SQLite3.connect. If the file doesn't exist, Python will create one automatically. Once connected, we print a success message to confirm that everything is working properly. Finally, we should always close the connection using connection.close. This is a best practice because it helps free up system resources. And that's it. Just a few lines of code, and we're working with SQLite in Python. Want to learn more? Stay tuned for upcoming videos where we'll explore CRUD operations with SQLite. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.